Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Omega critical legends step by step. First, confirm your account and character meet the minimum unlock requirements and free inventory space. Then gather key resources and best gear to maximize drop rates. I'll walk you through route planning, timing windows, and party setups that consistently increase your odds so you can get results without endless grinding. Make sure you meet the base requirements before attempting the runs so you do not waste time. Check your level, complete mandatory missions, and equip any gear that boosts drop rates or crit chance. Prepare consumables that speed up clears and reduce cooldowns. I'll explain how each requirement directly improves your chance and how small investments in preparation can turn a slow grind into a steady success loop. Start each run at the mapped spawn point and clear in a clockwise route to hit all high-yield nodes. Prioritize minibosses that drop better loot and use respawn timers to return efficiently. Apply crowd control and burst phases to minimize fights that waste time. If solo, adapt the route to reduce travel. If in a group, assign roles for buffs and interrupts so every run finishes faster and with higher drop consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.